Welcome to this tutorial on how to install and configure the SEO Pro extension for OpenCart 4. SEO Pro is a must-have extension for improving your store's SEO-friendly URLs. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable SEO URLs. First, log into your OpenCart admin panel. Navigate to System, then Settings, and click on the Server tab. Scroll down and enable the SEO URL option. Don't forget to save your changes. Step 2. Rename server config file. Next, go to the root folder of your OpenCart installation using an FTP client or your hosting's file manager. Find the .htaccess file and remove the .txt ending. This step is crucial for SEO-friendly URLs to work properly. Step 3. Upload and install the module. Now, upload the SEO Pro module. In your admin panel, go to Extensions, then Installer, and upload the module's zip file. Once uploaded, install the module from the list below by click on the green button. Step 4. Enable the module. After installation, go to Extensions, select Other from the drop-down menu, and find SEO Pro. Click the green Enable button. Step 5. Configure the module. Now let's configure the module. Open SEO Pro settings, enable the status, and enter your license key. Then click Save. Step 6. Generate SEO URLs. Go to the SEO URL tab in the extension and generate empty SEO URL records. This prepares your store for optimized URLs. Step 7. Customize settings. You can also tweak additional settings, such as hiding certain directories from URLs or adding a trailing slash at the end of URLs. Once done, save your settings. Step 8. Check SEO URLs. Now visit your store and check if the SEO-friendly URLs are working correctly. If everything looks good, you're all set. Congratulations! You have successfully installed and configured SEO Pro for OpenCart 4. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more OpenCart tutorials. See you next time on OpenCart Bot.